All right, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is an educational channel. We try to turn you on to the rare and difficult things that you might not encounter on other channels and things that have been suppressed um, and even been suppressed by the people that, you know, um, are against suppression. And that's this segment is called Your Blind Side, where I'm attempting to protect the uh, blind sides of the anons and truthers and diggers out there. I appreciate the work that you do, but I also recognize that what you're doing isn't quite deep enough, and it needs to be given some depth through some new perspectives. And um, it's kind of interesting that Q is kind of back in the news, and uh, most of us recognize that Q had really never left, and that it was just traded with the truth posts and the Twitter posts of people in the administration or other people that are adjacent to it. And but they came right out on the White House, communication system and started talking about Q. Um, and they kind of, for plausible deniability, talked about it as quantum, like quantum computing. Um, Now, really, quantum means quantized, means whole numbers, integers. You have to have a whole number before you have anything. You can't have, um, 2/3 of an orange or, I mean, like, growing off the tree. Nature doesn't work with fractions. You can fraction it up after the fact, but um, nature comes in wholes. And even down to the microscopic or submicroscopic, when you break it all down, the atoms and even, I would just say the atoms, they are quantized. They are in wholes. You can't really have half of an atom or now mainstream science sees it as going down further, that you can divide further into electrons and neutrons and protons and so on, quarks. Um, but if you study the reciprocal system, uh, all of this is based on motion, and an atom is just a kind of motion. So it's really the atom is the subatomic particles are just kinds of motion within a unit of space. And but regardless, uh, you know, uh, I think this is a distraction. There's something that's coming up the road, and today is supposed to be a big rally that the commander in chief is talking about as one of the biggest ever, and has been encouraging the patriots to join in, and there's going to be patriotic music and uh, I don't know what else, but I wouldn't go to that for if my life depended on it. Um, Not necessarily because you're being led astray, but just um, you have been led astray before. The January 6th thing doesn't have the same feel, but it kind of has the same location. And that location is, one of the kind of three autonomous zones where the deep state kind of has their run quite a bit more than every place else, London and the Vatican and you know uh, DC. So I wouldn't I wouldn't even consider going to that. But I'm not much of a traveler anyway. Um, but I would I would imagine that some very big news is going to emerge from that, or maybe before that today. Um, that there's something coming today because they're trying to kind of get people, these Q posts and so on, I think, are attempt to get people focused so that they're kind of like, you know, reinvigorated and, uh, participating fully. And so I'm looking for a false flag. You know, I'm looking for some type of terrorist attack, some nutball acting alone is going to do something dastardly, or there's going to be some type of invisible event like, you know, the discombobulator or the um, heart attack gun, or the uh, some type of like fentanyl, something that you can't detect is going to, come out of nowhere. Now, another alternative is like the alien attack, um, the second coming of Jesus. These are all things that they could also stage, and they could be staged by the white hats, or they could be staged by the black hats. And so, you know, you gotta use your spider senses to kind of really figure out what's going to be happening. But I can almost guarantee that there's going to be some huge news that breaks out today, and that kind of carries over all the way through the next several months. That this is going to be a watershed moment, and that it's going to set the stage for a lot of things that happen in the future. So just keep your eyes open. I could be completely wrong. Um, but we'll see. Like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and remember to watch your blind side. Have a great day.